What up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now I'm in a line to get my car washed right here, and I'm gonna be selling this car. So by the time you guys see this video, the car is probably sold. But before I sell it, I want to give you guys a quick little walk around. Now this car is pretty dirty. That's why I'm in line to get a car wash. So hopefully y'all can't see, anything too crazy. But if you guys do, just know we're about to wash it. But yeah, let's get a quick walk around because I never did it on this car. Let you guys know what I did to it, and we'll wrap this video up. This is a really quick one, but I think this is necessary to do before I sell the car. Let's go. On the interior of this vehicle, I have a super dope carbon fiber steering wheel from TAW Customs. They specialize in doing custom steering wheels for a variety of vehicles. So if you guys want anything custom, you want a steering wheel, you want, different options like Alcantara, you want leather, you want carbon, etc., you could go ahead and hit them up. They're the ones that did this steering wheel, and after I changed it, I was like, man, this car feels so much better, because the stock steering wheel is very basic, it's very simple, but this steering wheel gives the car an amazing feel. This is what the outside of the car is looking like. This color is wrapped in satin metallic purple by Avery, and this was done by a shop in Riverside called Premium Auto Styling. I want to give a huge shout out to my family over there for taking care of me and really just killing this wrap, bro, because this wrap is absolutely insane. I would highly recommend doing a wrap on it just because it protects the paint underneath it, but at the same time, you could do any sort of color that you want. There's so many options to choose from. For the wheels, we have these two-piece Workmeisters in this bronze powder-coated finish right here. I ended up getting this off of one of the premium homies, and this used to be on a G35, I believe. So if you guys are wondering about the specs, these are 19 by 9 in the front plus 19, and then 19 by 10 in the rear, also plus 19. The only thing that I would change about this wheel setup is going a little bit more aggressive. So the fitment is pretty good. I feel like it could get pushed out a little bit more. So I didn't have the chance to add some extended studs so I could put a little spacer in there, but it is what it is. That is how the car sits. But in the rear though, this is where it was money. So look at that. That's that perfect fitment right there. And for you guys that don't have a Model 3 and you don't know about this, look at this. It has a little mud guard right here, so it's weird. It kind of curves down and it goes underneath this little splitter part right here, and it's a lot lower than the side skirt, so whenever you air out, it's gonna hit this part right here, so that's why we can't get a little tuck. So if your bags ever pop or anything, that is always a little safety. You don't have to worry about it completely slamming, but that mud guard is holding up the car in the rear a little bit. And by the way, my apologies if you guys could hear some wind. I'm using my iPhone, so I'm using my iPhone a lot for these videos. If you hear a little wind, it's the iPhone, I'm sorry. One of my favorite parts about this car has to be the CMST kit that I have on here. So getting this kit was a little bit sketchy. I hit up the manufacturer on Instagram, but they're from Russia. So it was like, there's a language barrier and it was kind of hard to communicate with them. So I ended up paying a little bit extra and I bought it on eBay. So if you guys are interested in any of the stuff that I list, besides like the wheels, anything that I could list online, I'll have a link down below. If you guys are trying to build a Model 3 or using this as inspiration, I got you. Link will be down below. So this kit right here, I believe maybe it was like 2,000, maybe 2,500, but it really makes a huge difference on the car. So the first thing that this kit comes with is this crazy carbon diffuser. Now this diffuser has a light right there that does work with the brake lights. Whenever you're braking, this will pop on as well. And I love that because if you don't know already, I'm a huge fan of JDM builds, and the JDM builds inspired this one right here on a Tesla. So that's why I thought I could, add my little flair to it and spice up the Tesla Model 3. So it comes with that. It also comes with these side skirt extensions, which are carbon fiber as well. CMST logo right there. It's a little dirty. Didn't get to wipe it down after the wash. And it also comes with the CMST carbon fiber front lip. Since we had some carbon bits on here, I decided to add these carbon mirror caps. These are actually from eBay, and I think we got them for around 100 or 120 bucks. So they're not bad. You just stick them over with some 3M tape, and it actually gives it a really nice look. So to match that, we also did this trunk lip Personally, for me, I feel like the trunk looked a little naked without this right here. And I also purchased this one on eBay for around 100 to maybe 150 bucks. But it really ties in everything. It gives the car a little more aggressive look, and it also complements the other carbon fiber bits that we have on the vehicle. Now, the thing is with this, you gotta make sure you don't get the crazy ones. This one is very subtle. Some of them, they pop out to like here. It's a little bit too long for me, but this one is more subtle, as you guys can see. It just adds just a little bit of texture on there, a little bit of taste, and it's nothing too crazy. So that's what I love about that. Oh, we also added the electric trunk. That was done by Tesla Frunk. He does the installs on these trunk struts right here. He's located in the Bay Area. Also have him linked down below. I know that the new Model 3s actually come with that, but before we didn't have that. So it's actually a really nice feature. He added this button right here. Boom, just super easy. It just closes just like so. And I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see this right now since it's still daytime. Oh yeah, you can see it. We added these lights right here from USR. I have blue in the back. And in the front, we have some purple lighting going on. So I did a little bit of light upgrades on this, nothing too crazy. They're pretty cheap if you guys are interested in that. Just adding a little bit of spice, especially if you leave it like this. You get like two colors. You get blue, you get purple. Car kind of looks blue purplish, so it's not a bad look. And the biggest head turner of them all is this right here. Boom, 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 boom. This is the tank for the air setup. So VK Garage did this crazy air setup on this car right here. So this is an Accuair, I forget what it is. It's either the CVT, Endo CVT, or it's I believe this is the Accuair VT system. This does not have the compressors inside. All the compressors are mounted underneath the car. We did the hardline setup to make it look super official. We don't want any like crazy wires showing here. So the hardline setup, bro, that's the way to freaking go. And we also got that wrapped by Premium Auto Styling in the Duracell battery, and it says sneakerhead in the bay right here. Definitely a big head turner. I'm a little sad that we weren't able to do any car shows, just cause you know how the past year was, man. It's been a little crazy. But this at the car shows, bro, this would have been wild. But once again, I wanted to thank you guys for following me on this journey for this build right here. We do have more stuff coming soon for the GTR, which I'm super excited for, but we got to get back to work. If you guys want a piece of Tesla history right here, I have a few more posters available on my website at shopsoultopia.com. Each of them will come numbered and signed, so you guys could go ahead and put it in a frame if you guys want a piece of Tesla history. All right, I'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.